All right, we are calculating simple interest today. So the first of our types of interest, we're going to do compound interest a bit later, but simple interest is, as it says, pretty simple. So we have a formula for it. Formula is just there. I equals PRN, where I is the amount of interest, P is the principal or the initial amount being borrowed, R is the rate of simple interest period expressed as a decimal, though we can do it as a percentage if we need. N is the number of time periods that the interest is accruing over, and A is the total amount, or the total amount to be paid if you're borrowing money. So here we go. Abby applied for a flat rate loan, so $40,000 at 9% per annum simple interest. She plans to pay the loan off. So we're going to use our things. Our formula, I equals PRN. So in this particular case, our principal is 40,000. Our interest rate is 9% or 0.09 if we do it as a decimal. And the number of interest-bearing periods she's going to pay it is 2 years and 6 months, which is 2.5, because our interest-bearing period is per annum, so it's per year, so it's 2 years. So question A, we will go I equals 40,000 times 9% times 2.5. Now, one of the reasons they do suggest to do it as a decimal, and I'm actually going to do it as a decimal, is because when we do it as 9%, a lot of the time we're using this 9% per annum, okay, which is per year. But sometimes they're going to change how often you pay. So this is 9% per annum. She's paying after 2 years. But they might actually start saying, hey, it's 9% per annum, but you're paying, well, let's go 12% per annum, but you're paying monthly, which means you have to convert that from per annum to monthly, which would be 1% per month. In this particular case, we're doing per annum and it's yearly and it's all good, but you can get questions like that. So you may have to adjust that. We'll come to them, I am sure. So you're chucking that into a calculator. 40,000 times 0.09 times 2.5 will give you $9,000. So that's how much she's paying. So in interest. So the interest owed is $9,000. Question B, what is the total owing at the end of 2 years and 6 months? So the $9,000 is just the interest. So what we want is the total amount, which is going to be the principal plus the interest. So in this particular case, it's going to be 40,000 plus the 9,000, which equals 49. That's $49,000. So the amount owed is $49,000.